Welcome to Friday Frameworks. I'm George Mayfield, your guide to strategic growth and innovation. In this series, Laying the Foundation, today we're tackling how to build a team that drives manufacturing innovation. If you're leading in manufacturing, you know the entire industry thrives on operational creativity, and that starts with hiring and retaining the right people. Stick around for expert tips, actionable advice, and as always, visit I'mGeorgeMayfield.com for tools and resources to accelerate your success. Before we get into the tips, I want to share with you a quick story. Meet Ashley, a plant manager at a mid-sized manufacturing company. When Ashley was promoted, she quickly realized her team was struggling, not because they lacked technical skills, but because they were stuck in the "we've always done it this way" of thinking. Ashley knew her business needed fresh ideas and innovation to stay competitive. She worked hard to hire a mix of skilled workers and up-and-coming talent who challenged the status quo. Within a year, her team's creativity led to a new, more efficient production process that led to reduced lead times by 30%. This is what happens when you prioritize building a team that's aligned with innovation. Now, here's what you need to know to create your own team like Ashley's. Did you know that 60% of manufacturing CEOs say that skills shortages are their biggest challenge? To thrive, you need to hire for both technical capability and mindset to open learning and adapting. You will get results if you diversify your hiring. Innovation flourishes when there's a diversity of perspectives in the room. You'll get better ideas and solutions if your team represents a mix of ages, backgrounds, and expertise. How do you train for growth? Offer opportunities for growth like mentorship programs or certifications. Skilled workers who see a future with your company are less likely to jump ship. Would you rather have an employee who meets all the technical qualifications but lacks curiosity, or someone who's a fast learner with problem-solving skills? Always lean into hiring people who ask why and how instead of just following orders. These are the minds that drive innovation. You will see a higher engagement if you foster collaboration. Encourage employee input and cross-functional teamwork. People are more engaged and creative when they feel heard and work together to solve challenges. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Friday Frameworks. Remember, the key to building a team that thrives manufacturing innovation is to focus on skills, curiosity, and a willingness to challenge the norm. Like Ashley proved, the right team can transform operations and take your business to a new level of success. Don't miss out on more strategic insights. Visit I'mGeorgeMayfield.com to connect with me and access resources designed to help your business thrive. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe to Friday Frameworks for updates on future episodes. Until then, keep laying that foundation for greatness.